Hello everyone, welcome to Login Giant. In this video, we'll learn how to verify your Badoo account. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, go ahead and open up Badoo app on your device. Once the app opens up, click on your profile icon on the bottom right corner. The first and major step to verify your account is to upload a photo of yourself. So go ahead and select the picture of yourself from your gallery, or you can directly capture it from the camera. Make sure that your face is seen very properly in the profile picture. And once you're done uploading the picture, click on the verify this photo under your profile. Now copy the given pose and take a live picture of yourself to confirm that it's you. Once you're done with the picture, select the submit button. And now answer all the asked questions. This step will help to set up your profile and people will get to know about you. And with this, you will be now verified. To check your verification, click on the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. And now scroll down and there you go. Your account has been verified. So we hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.